Xeroderma, zero meaning dry, derma meaning skin, xeroderma, excessive dryness of the skin. Pseudo diabetes, pseudo meaning false diabetes, meaning a condition involving high blood sugar. Pseudo diabetes, a condition that resembles diabetes but is not true diabetes. Granuloma, granule meaning little grain or small particle, ona meaning tumor or swelling. Granuloma, a mass or noodle of chronologically inflamed tissue with granulations that is usually associated with an ineffective process. Hydrocephaly, hydro meaning hydrogen or water, cephaly meaning head or condition of the head, hydrocephaly, excessive fluid accumulation in the brain. Meloderma, melo meaning black or dark, derma meaning skin, meloderma, an abnormal intense pigmentation of the skin. Ichthyotoxism, ichthyo meaning fish, tox meaning poison, ichthyotoxism, poisoning from fish. Pathogen, patho meaning disease, gen meaning producing or causing. Pathogen, a specific causative agent such as bacterium or virus of a disease. Bacilliform, bacilla meaning bacteria, form meaning shape or form, bacilliform, a rod-shaped bacterium. Pyrogenic, pyro meaning fire or fever, genic meaning producing or causing, pyrogenic, producing or produced by heat or fever. Cystio, uh, cystosis, cystio meaning split or divided, cyto meaning cell, osis meaning condition. Cystiocytosis, the presence of an abnormal number of cystiotes in the blood. Uh, Gonometer, gono meaning angle, goniameter, gonia meaning meter, gonia meter, gonia meaning angle, meter meaning measure or instrument for measuring. Goniometer, an instrument for measuring angles. Sonam bilism. Sonambilism. Sonambilism. Sonia meaning sleep, ism meaning condition. Somniambilism. Soniabiism. Soniabilism, an abnormal condition of sleep in which motor acts such as walking are performed. Narcolepsy, narco meaning sleep or numbness, lepsy meaning seizures or sudden attacks. Narcolepsy, a condition characterized by brief attacks of deep sleep, often occurring with cataplexy. Hypotension, hypo meaning above normal, excessive, tension meaning pressure, hypotension, abnormal high blood pressure, especially articular blood pressure. Hemiplegic, hema meaning half, plegic meaning paralysis. Hemiplegic, total or partial paralysis of one side of the body that results from disease or injury to the motor centers of the brain. Polyarthritis, poly meaning many, artery meaning artery, polyarthritis, inflammation of multiple arteries. Staphylococcus, staphylo meaning clustered or grape-like, cocci meaning round or bacteria. Staphylococcus, gram-positive spherical bacteria that characteristically formed grape-like clusters. They are common pathogens involved in skin and soft tissue infections, uh, foodborne illnesses, foodborne illnesses, and serious conditions. Brachioesophagus. Brachioesophagus, yes. Brachia meaning short, esophagus meaning the tube that carries food from the throat to the stomach. Brachioesophagus refers to a connected congenital short esophagus, meaning the esophagus is shorter than normal. Exogenous. Exo meaning external, on the outside, outward. Genosis, meaning produced by or originated from. Exogenous, produced by growth by superficial tissue. Intravenous, intravenous, intra meaning within, vene meaning vein, and us meaning pertaining to. Osis, intravenous. Intravenous is situated, performed, or occurring within or entering by way of vein. Epa meaning above or above. Epa meaning above or upon. Let me start over. Epicondyle. Epicondyle. Epa meaning above or upon. Condyle, a rounded bony projection at the end of a bone. Epicondyle at any several premises on the distal part of the long bone, serving for the attachment of muscles and ligaments. Anaphylactic, ana meaning back, up or again. Anaphylactic meaning protection. Anaphylactic of, relating to, affected by, or causing anaphylaxis or anaphylactic shock. Disarticulation. Disto meaning far away from the point of attachment. Articular meaning joint. Ation meaning process or action. Disarticulation refers to the separation or removal of a limb at a joint rather than throughout the bone. And antepartum, anti meaning before, partum meaning childbirth. Antepartum relating to the period before childbirth. Esophagitation. Esophagus. Esophagitation. Esopha meaning esophagus, the tube that carries food to the stomach. Excitation, meaning stretching or expansion. Exophagitation, dilatation or abnormal widening of the esophagus. Cholelithiasis, cola meaning bile or gall, life meaning stone, isis, cholelithiasis, isis, a condition or presence of. Cholelithiasis, production of gallstones. Cytocele, cyto meaning bladder, cele meaning hernia, protrusion, or swelling. Cytocele, hernia of the bladder, especially the urinary bladder. nephritis. Nephra meaning kidney, itis meaning inflation. Nephritis, uh, an acute chondric inflammation of the kidneys caused by infection. Caused by infection. Blepharotosis. Blepharotosis. I mean eyelid. Ptosis meaning drooping or sagging. Blepharotosis, a drooping or abnormal relaxation of the upper eyelid. Dyspepsia. Dyspepsia, meaning despa meaning bad, difficult, or painful. Pepsia meaning digestion. Dyspepsia, indigestion. Hemorrhage. Hemorrho meaning hem or blood. Hem, meaning blood. Ridge meaning excessive flow. Hemorrhage, a copious or heavy discharge of blood from the blood vessels. Iatrogenic. Iatrogenic. Iatro meaning physician's medical treatment. Genic meaning produced by, caused by. Iatrogenic. Iatrogenic, induced unintentionally by a physician or surgeon or by medical treatment or a diagnosed procedure. Eupenia. Eu meaning normal or good. Penia meaning breathing. Eupenia meaning normal respiration. Viapirosis. 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 Via meaning life or living. Pirosis meaning bearing or producing. Viapirosis, producing living young instead of eggs from within the body in the manner of nearly all mammals, mainly reptiles and few fishes. And hold on. Anoxia, meaning without or lack. Let me start over. Anoxia, meaning meaning without or lack. Oxia meaning oxygen. Anoxia, hypoxia, especially in such severity as to result in permanent damage.